The Animal Twin Cat by Oxidean Marine is one amazing boat. Lightning fast, the agility of a cheetah, the strength of a tiger. I mean, this boat is just unstoppable. As of right now, it is at the top of the speed run list as far as ready to run boats, which is totally awesome. Our drivers have been able to put this boat on an absolute pedestal. We are so honored at the great job that they are doing getting our boats on the speed run list and keeping us at the top. As many know, I, Bill Oxidean, the creator, have many years of RC boat racing experience. Not just GPS stuff, not just goofing off at home, but we're talking about actual sanctioned racing experience. My racing experience is not limited to just oval track racing. I've broken over 100 speed records. And to break those records, it takes a lot of knowledge and a lot of skill and a lot of perseverance and a lot of determination. It's not like a GPS thing where it's you in the comfort of your own lake setting records with a GPS. This is where you're competing against others who are going against the same record as you. When the competition is that intense, you've got to come up with ways to top the next guy. You have to learn different techniques, different things that make the boat fast. A lot of these skills and techniques that I developed, I put right back into our boats. I have literally seen the fastest radio control boats to ever hit the water. And that is how I developed the first 100 plus mile an hour ready to run boat. And yes, that is an absolute fact. The Oxidean Marine Animal Twin Cat was the first ready to run boat in the world to ever hit 100 miles an hour. The Animal doesn't just run at 100 miles an hour, it's sustainable at 100 miles an hour. Actually 100 plus miles an hour, well over 100. The Animal's electronics are robust. They're very heavy duty. That way, you can do 100 miles an hour over and over and over again, casually. You won't get nearly the heat that you get out of any of these other boats that try to hit 100 or get pushed to the max to hit 100. Another thing about the Animal is our hull is the strongest, by far the strongest ready to run hull on the market. No one makes a hull as strong as us. Our carbon fiber composite, our materials, our resins, our curing process, I don't want to let too much out of the bag because we've seen as of lately, a lot of companies are trying to match the Animal. That doesn't bother us because ultimately, who wins when that happens? You guys, the customers, the end users. We want you to win. We're here stepping up our game and stepping up industry standards. So in turn, you guys win. The more all these boats step up their quality standards, the better RC boating will be. And that's what we care about more than anything. We are hardcore RC boat enthusiasts. Everyone in our company is a hardcore RC boat enthusiast. Everyone who touches our boats, from the manufacturing process to even the shipping process, has been in the hobby for over 20 years. And our factory, as well as me, have been into RC boats in particular for over 20 years, over 25 years in fact. That means you as a customer are benefiting from unmatched experience. These boats are kept at our USA warehouse. That is right. They are kept here, right here in the USA. We have pallets of them. And that's why we have never imposed any tariffs on anyone, like our competitors do. We have our own exclusive factory that produces our hulls exclusively to the highest of quality and standards. If you're considering any other boats, we urge you to compare component for component, servo mount, motor mounts, hardware, quality of construction, finish. We want you to make an educated decision when you buy your next RC boat. Hobbies are hands-on. Hobbies are about learning, experimenting, and trying different things. Here at Oxidean Marine, we are very hands-on. We developed our special talking GPS radio called the Quasar. We're the only RC boat company in the industry that has developed a radio like this. This radio was developed specifically for carbon fiber and carbon Kevlar hulls. It has a GPS module that goes outside of the boat. We've in fact made a special version of the animal called the AC2EQ, Animal Cat 2EQ for Quasar. That version comes with the Quasar talking GPS radio. You know, it's fascinating that some other cats have gotten onto this GPS speed run list when in fact they don't even come with a radio. Our boat comes with a top quality radio, whether it's the Quasar or a standard radio. Top quality CNC cased chromoly gear, waterproof, digital, high speed, high torque servo, robust 200 amp ESCs made by Hobbywing, 6 pole, count them, 6 poles for high torque and efficiency, 6 pole 4082, 2200 or 1650 kV motors. Our robust 200 amp ESCs actually are capable of running 8S LiPo, which is totally awesome. 8S is more preferred for our 1650 kV version, but I will be honest with you guys, some people have gotten away with 8S on our 2200 kV versions, and that is awesome. In fact, Big B from Ironclad RC hit over 120, he had right at 120 miles an hour with 8S on our 2200s. Derek Jensen right now has our boat at the top of the list. It is smoking 124 miles an hour. That is really, really fast for a ready-to-run boat. The beauty of our ready-to-run boat that does 100 miles an hour plus is you don't have to go anywhere else to get anything to add to our boat to make it do 100 plus mile an hour. We have a wide assortment of stainless CNC props as well as aluminum CNC props that make it go well over 100 miles an hour effortlessly. That makes us a one-stop shop. If you want a fast boat, 100 miles an hour, everything in one package, give us a call, we'll get you set up. Since our props are CNC, if you lose a prop, just order another set. We have them in stock. There's no wait time, no wait period. We're not sitting here fondling something together for you or sharpening and balancing something that's right off the shelf that you could buy and do yourself. Let's get something straight here though. The Animal is not just a speed run boat. The Animal turns incredibly well, and it is a really awesome fun boat. Now just think, a boat that can do over 125 miles an hour, if you run it at 70 or 80, you are completely safe. And 75, 80 miles an hour right out of the box with stock props is plenty fast and plenty fun. There's something very enjoyable about a boat that does about 80 miles an hour with no heat issues, no issues whatsoever. The 42 millimeter high rake CNC prop pair we developed will actually go 100 miles an hour over and over through a full set of batteries without any heat issues whatsoever. In fact, a stock Animal on stock props can run through a full set of batteries with no cool off period. You can run through a set of batteries, pull them out, stick another set in, and run and have a field day. Don't be fooled by the cheaper imposters that are trying to step their game up to match our speeds and performance. You get what you pay for, and we pack as much quality and performance into this boat as we possibly can for the price. No upgrades needed, and these boats are in stock, ready to rock. Unlike the others, we don't have some waiting period. We aren't drop shipping from China. We have our own USA warehouse. Unmatched customer support, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You can even call us on holidays. I run RC boats as a lifestyle, so it's no problem when you ask questions. I know the answers. I run these boats all the time. And that is something no other electric RC boat manufacturers in the USA can say. If you like this video, and you like the information we give, feel free to subscribe to our channel. Smash the like button and continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxidean, over and out.